Let me take a shot and see what the trophies look like here this morning. What is Birdman come out here to win.
Yeah, fellas, 3 more for the spot bird, 3 more for the spot bird category. Anybody interested in registering? 3 more?
So morning everybody, we're here with Kylie. Kylie, are you doing some things in the racing game? Tell me, we're getting this little prepared this season with the racing game and the birds.
I mean, well, the start of the season with the racing bird, well, I wait for him to pick form.
Yeah.
Then start the racing, I race him about 7 times.
Yeah.
And after that, I start to dip and I rack him up.
How important it is to brace the bird before a race?
To warm him up, for him to be ready. Because you don't want him to go in cold. You want him to be ready.
Yeah.
So,
I see you come down this morning here with your father. How you feel the father and son team here out here this morning in the ground?
yeah, I bring him out after a long while, to see how the crowd is now compared to long time. Yeah.
So how your father feel to see that, you becoming a senior man in the game here now because everybody know about Kylie, because Kylie has some good birds?
Well, I mean, he trained me from small, so he's supposed to be,
Yeah. So Kylie getting ready to get in the ring there with the semi, so congratulations. Yeah. Looking for some big thing, first, second, and third. Let me see what you go do. Yeah, man. So that was Kylie in the semi-mates. The category going on start just now. Let me set up on Birdman TT. Here with Neil from A1. Lisa me.
Hey.
You hear it, Nari and Della? You hear it, Brian? Sheldon? We hear it, Rodney. Rodney moving some good numbers. Between Rodney and Brian. Does not look like he might get to it. That's the count of it.
3, 2, 1, order.
That's a wrap of the spot board competition. Who is the winner of the summits?
Richard.
So morning everybody, we here at Richard. So Chef Birdman, what is it the next things on the list?
Well, it's nice to get a big shit today because a long time and get nothing.
Yeah, well I didn't see any winner circle for a while, it's true, but I guess you're feeling good this morning.
Yeah, feeling real good, you know what I mean?
And I know this morning you reached a little late and I know you wasn't feeling the vibe, that's it. I don't think my bird night thing. But look at the bird come on through.
Yeah, it's true because when I bring him, normally when I came on the grounds and he doesn't really perform, sing now, but so this morning I see, when I bring him and he started to sing, I said, alright, this morning is the morning at 10 time. And you know, I'll come out victory, and that's good.
Well, I know you be on the grounds with your brother,
yeah.
But how you feel about the brotherhood in the birding game, like all the brothers on all the different teams?
Real nice. I like the unity, you know what I mean? Everybody coming together now and everybody show respect now, man. You know what I mean? It's a love now.
Today's a cooking, or they bubbling anything?
Yeah, we have 2 rabbit, 4 rabbit, 4 duck. And we're going to make a big pot of fish broth there and roti.
Well, you know which 10 bird mat it in lineman in after.
Well, you don't know, you know what I mean? As long as you are wrong, everything is in order.
Well, these fellas are now fixed me up real good in the last show, so, you know, in Arnold's show. So, you know, I have big respect for these fellas. They look out for me, so I got to look out for them.
Yeah.
That's what I congratulate you again on the win.
Yeah, man.
Nice win by Richard.
Yeah, thanks,
yeah,
man.
Nice bird, 77, yeah. So morning everybody, we here at Rodney. I was moving around, I see the spots bird and a lot of them wasn't performing this morning, but I know yours was going and take it and so said so done, the bird come and take it. How do you feel to be a winner?
I'm very proud of myself and my bird. This morning we come out to make scores.
Well, I know you're no stranger to the winner's circle. I know you win a trophy in West Side and you come and you win again today.
Yeah. 1.4, you know.
Is the same bird?
Yes, it's the same bird. Yeah, I've been training for a while with a few friends, you know, and we train him well.
So how you get into this bird, man? See?
Well, it's about 20 years I've been following Naparima. Yeah, Suraj and Mr. Khan and, you know, a few of them again, you know, and I get to like it. You know, the first bird that I own, I caught that bird in my father's cage. Yeah.
So it was a wild caught?
Yeah, and after that I started with birds. You know, I get to love it, you know.
So brown birds and spot birds are a little bit fickly. Give me one tip for a young bird, man, to say how to get the bird to calm down and how to get a little bond between man and bird.
Well, you had first to begin, you had to tame your bird down. Let him get to know you, and then you treat your bird properly, and then you shy your bird. And then you'll get your results.
Shine is very important for young birds.
Shying is a must, You must have your friends to shy with, you know. You must come out on the ground and shy to get your bird better and better every day.
How you feel about the grounds and the setup for Tony Dan and Bushman here show this morning?
They always have a good show. No problem, no fuss. They always choose nice trophies, you know, nice avenue, you know. So it's going good so far.
Well, I see the bird come off the grounds, he win the trophy, but he's still singing, the bird still have it in him. This bird has some blood. So tell me how, as a young bird man, some features they would say, hey, you know, this would make a nice bird. Let me put my efforts into it, because everybody have a stable of birds, 5 or 6 birds, but you know, there's certain ones you would put a little extra eye. How you as a bird man just identify 1 or 2 traits to say, you know, this bird gonna make a good bird?
Right. You see it in his shy. Once you leave home singing, and you reach on the ground singing, you know he's a good bird to work with, you know. And once you continue working with him, he'll pick that order eventually to make you proud. in the competition.
So I just want to congratulate Rodney on the win. Rodney, big win in the bird competition. 80 is the score?
80.
80, so they'll be congratulated.
Thank you very much.
Nice win with the 80 and the spot bird, and nice bird. What's the name of the bird by chance?
George.
George.
Yes, Curious George.
Curious George.
Yeah.
And as I could see, George still giving it to we. Birdman TV out.
Big up all the crews on the outside, all the supporters, Birdman TT, big up yourself, all I don't know.
So that's the end of the spot bird competition here. They're on a little 10-minute break here, trying to get in numbers. First 50s up next. Guys and them organizing themselves. And you can see the sun out here in all its glory.